Emergency Lighting Mock Test 2026 20 questions and answers. For more practice test questions and our online emergency lighting course, click this link. Or visit our website www.healthandsafetytrainingfirst.co.uk. Question 1. What is the fundamental difference between maintained and non-maintained emergency lighting? A. Maintained units run constantly while the building is occupied, and non-maintained only activate during power loss. B. Maintained units are brighter than standard lights while non-maintained are dim. Or C. Maintained units use central batteries, whereas non-maintained always use internal ones. The correct answer is A. Maintained units run constantly while the building is occupied, whilst non-maintained only activate during power loss. Question 2. In which of these venues is maintained emergency lighting legally required due to the dimming of normal lights? A. Large warehouses and distribution centres. B. Corporate office blocks and schools. Or C. Cinemas, theatres and licensed bars. The correct answer is C. Cinemas, theatres and licensed bars. Question 3. Why is it standard for emergency lighting to function at a lower voltage than the main lighting system? A. To reduce the risk of fire in the cabling. B. To maximise the duration of the backup battery charge. Or C. To prevent the light from blinding occupants during an evacuation. The correct answer is B. To maximise the duration of the backup battery charge. Question 4. Under Approved Document B, at what height must a block of flats be equipped with escape route emergency lighting? A. Any building with more than one storey. B. Any building with more than 2 storeys. Or C. Only buildings taller than 4 storeys. The correct answer is B. Any building with more than 2 storeys. Question 5. According to HSG 38, what is the minimum height at which emergency lighting units should be mounted? A. 1.5 metres above floor level. B. 2 metres above floor level. Or C. 2.5 metres above floor level. The correct answer is B. 2 metres above floor level. Question 6. Which type of lighting is specifically designed under BSEN 1838-2024 to reduce panic in large open indoor spaces? A. Open area lighting. B. High-risk task area lighting. Or C. Standby utility lighting. The correct answer is A. Open area lighting. Question 7. How is adaptive emergency escape lighting defined in modern safety standards? A. Systems that automatically dim based on the time of day. B. Lights that change from white to red as the battery depletes. Or C. Systems that can be redirected to guide occupants away from hazards towards safe exits. The correct answer is C. Systems that can be redirected to guide occupants away from hazards towards safe exits. Question 8. What is the precise definition of 1 lux when measuring illuminance for safety standards? A. 1 lumen per square metre. B. 5 lumens per square metre. Or C. 10 lumens per square foot. The correct answer is A. 1 lumen per square metre. Question 9. For high-risk task areas, what is the minimum required brightness to ensure a safe shutdown? A. At least 5 lux. B. At least 15 lux or 10% of the normal lighting level. Or C. A minimum of 60 lux across the floor. The correct answer is B. At least 15 lux or 10% of the normal lighting level. Question 10. How quickly must emergency lighting activate for high-risk areas or escape routes according to BS 52661? A. Within 0.5 seconds. B. Within 5 seconds. Or C. Within 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. Within 0.5 seconds. Question 11. When calculating lighting for open areas larger than 60 metres squared, which section of the floor is usually excluded? A. The exact centre of the room. B. The areas directly beneath windows or vents. Or C, a 0.5 metre border around the perimeter of the room? The correct answer is C, a 0.5 metre border around the perimeter of the room. Question 12. In the context of fire safety, what is an inner room? A room located in the basement with no natural light. B, a room where the only exit involves travelling through another access room. Or C, a reinforced room used only for housing electrical switchgear. The correct answer is B, a room where the only exit involves travelling through another access room. Question 13. To comply with ISO 7010, which two elements must be present on an emergency escape sign? A pictogram of a running figure and a directional arrow. B, the word exit in bold and a photo of the fire marshal. Or C, a red stop circle and a yellow warning triangle. The correct answer is A, a pictogram of a running figure and a directional arrow. Question 14. What is the maximum viewing distance for an externally illuminated sign that is 0.2 metres in height? A, 20 metres. B, 40 metres. Or C, 100 metres. The correct answer is A, 20 metres. Question 15. Who is legally tasked with maintaining the building's emergency lighting logbook? A, the local fire and rescue service. B, the electrical contractor who installed the system. Or C, the responsible person designated for the building. The correct answer is C, the responsible person designated for the building. Question 16. For systems powered by a centralised battery, how frequently must they be checked to ensure power reaches all units? A, every day. B, every week. Or C, once a month. The correct answer is A, every day. Question 17. What is the primary reason for using a fish key during a manual test? A, to unlock the protective casing of a luminaire. B, to simulate a local power failure at the test switch. Or C, to reset the system to its original factory settings. The correct answer is B, to simulate a local power failure at the test switch. Question 18. Why should a tester obtain system design plans before starting a monthly inspection? A, to confirm the building's insurance premium. B, to locate every luminaire and plan an efficient testing route. Or C, to calculate the historical cost of the lighting components. The correct answer is B, to locate every luminaire and plan an efficient testing route. Question 19. Following a full 3-hour annual discharge test, when should the system be checked for full recharge? A, after 1 hour. B, after 12 hours. Or C, after 24 hours. The correct answer is C, after 24 hours. Question 20. What is the final step for maintained emergency lighting after completing a manual test? A, verify the light is illuminated and has returned to normal operation. B, ensure the light stays off until a real emergency occurs. Or C, remove the battery to check physical signs of wear. The correct answer is A, verify the light is illuminated and has returned to normal operation. For online construction and other safety courses, free guidance and more tests, find us on www.healthandsafetytrainingfirst.co.uk or call us on 0330 122 6126. Thanks for watching.